Hey everybody, nice to see you again, future Amazon business owners and current Amazon business owners. My name is Sofia. I'm one of the main coaches at ALGO. I've been selling on Amazon for more than 7 years now. And a question I get a lot is, why does Amazon let people sell? People like me, why does Amazon have third-party sellers? I've been selling on Amazon for more than 7 years. I love doing this business. And one of the questions most people ask me when I tell them that I sell on Amazon is, why would Amazon actually let you sell on their website? Why wouldn't they do all of the sales themselves? So a very surprising fact or shocking fact for new people that enter the Amazon world is that actually 60% of the sales conducted via the Amazon website are actually sales that will go to third-party sellers. So people like me, people who have their own Amazon stores, 60% of the sales. So the majority of the sales are not sales that Amazon is doing, but third-party sellers like us. So when you buy a product on Amazon, you are most likely buying from a third-party seller. And what will happen is that sellers like myself, we're just warehousing our product on Amazon on their warehouse. They will store it for us, they will keep it there, and they will send it to the client directly from their warehouse. So Amazon employees do most of the work, and yeah, I just have to send it, and in 2 days it will be with the customer. So when I tell people about this, one of the most common questions I get is, why would Amazon let you keep the money, make the sale, if they're already doing all the hard work, right? They're already sending the product, they're already warehousing it. Why would they let you keep the money? So there are a few reasons, and that this is a very good question. The first reason is that Amazon makes a ton of money off of seller fees. So actually in 2020, Amazon made $121 billion of Amazon sellers fees. So when we sell a product and we store our products at the warehouse, Amazon charges us a fee per each product. And it's estimated that third-party Amazon seller fees are the biggest part of Amazon's revenue. So yeah, I mean, there's money in it. We pay fees and they win, and we win by letting them do all the hard work. We don't have to worry about that. We take into account the seller fees when we're doing our product research, and if the product is still profitable with the fees, then we do it. We paid Amazon their share and we let them do the hard work. But for them, it's also one of the biggest sources of revenue that they have as a company. Also, when they let people like us sell products on their warehouse, that means that they have a wider product selection to offer to their clients. So we put the hard work into making new products, searching for new products, and they have a wider selection of products to offer to their clients. So that's obviously very attractive. That makes the client want to stay with Amazon and search for the products in Amazon instead of going to a competitor like Walmart or like whatever other Shopify or other e-commerce sites, because Amazon has a wider product selection, and that is in thanks to third-party sellers like myself who take their time into finding new products each and every single month. Also, when they have people like myself, like many of you who are already sellers on Amazon, they have, instead of having thousands of employees, they have an army of entrepreneurs that are dedicated to making their own businesses succeed. So this is way better than having thousands of employees, because we sellers are we are dedicated to our success, to our business success. So we will try and find new opportunities each month, each week, each day. We're going to try to find new products to sell. We're going to expand that product selection even more. We're going to deal directly with supply chain. That way Amazon doesn't have to deal directly with suppliers most of the time, because we as sellers have to do that. We have to talk to suppliers. We have to make sure that they send the products to Amazon. So we take a great part of that supply chain process away from Amazon, and that is work that they don't have to do. Also, we are the ones that pay for inventory. When we invest in product, we are paying for that inventory beforehand, before it sells, and we're sending that inventory to be sold to Amazon. So actually, we are paying for the product that which is going to sell, and which we're going to pay also fees for. So we offer them a big range of products which they don't have to pay for. So that is obviously very attractive for Amazon. And also, we are always analyzing and searching for new products. So we actually make the Amazon catalog even better each time, because when we get a product that doesn't work, that has bad reviews on Amazon, that people don't like, we're going to drop that product and we're going to find a new one that's better. So every single month, Amazon's catalog is refining, it's getting better by us, the sellers. So I mean, 1 million employees couldn't do what the work we third-party sellers do, because we do it with much higher dedication. We dedicate ourselves to making our businesses better, because that's what we live off. So instead of having a steady income by being an employee and doing a half job, we are the sole people who are responsible for our own success as business owners. So I mean, that's dedication you cannot beat, even with millions of employees. So these are some of the reasons why Amazon chooses us third-party sellers to do kind of the work for them. And then in turn, they do also part of the hard work for us, which is doing the logistics, which is doing the shipments to the clients, the keeping the products in the warehouse. So it's a win-win, and it's a team effort to be able to have a successful business on Amazon. So if you want to learn more about Amazon and how to build your own online business and work in partnership with Amazon to get that client the products that they want, that they are paying for, that they deserve, and making your business grow even larger, I have taught thousands of ALGO members and students. We are actually, I think we just hit more than 8,000 students in the ALGO community. So if you want to learn more about how to do this business and are not sure if it's right for you, and you want to know more details, then I'm going to host a free webinar soon, teach people how to do the business the right way. We at ALGO have a proven business model that works, selling popular name brand products. So if you want to know more about it, there's gonna be a link below this video on that, on the information of the video. So just click down below, register for that free webinar, because it's a great opportunity to be able to we're going to be live. We're going to get to talk live, and you're going to get to ask me questions. So just make sure to click down below, register for that free webinar and the description. And you're going to make sure you're going to learn how to make money online and work wherever you want in the world, live wherever you want in the world, selling products in partnership with Amazon. So go ahead, click the button, register, and I'll see you there.